doing it?
Cut the film! Cut the film! Too much fire! Too much fire!
Yay!
Damn it, out of ammo, out of ammo. Where's the clip? Where's the clip? Where'd you put the clip?
What's the clip?
The ammo clip? Oh wait. Oh yeah, I got a spare. Yeah!
What exactly are you shooting at?
If you don't see it, you have to be a psycho. See it?
Where? I don't see it.
You don't see it?
No.
Die. Bye-bye.
What? You know you aren't even... What?
Fudge out of ammo. Don't you see it?
No.
The tree. It's alive. It's alive.
It is? Let me see. It looks perfectly... It looks perfectly... What? What? Ow! Ow!
Stinking little tree.
Oh.
Medic. Ah, come on, man. You gotta go. You need to go. That tree is attacking. Herman, get up. Fall back now. At the tree.
What? Oh!
Man down. Oh, you filthy little clanker. Fall back, fall back. Losing ammo. Fall back now.
Kill me!
Incoming fire. Rocket.
Whoa!
Die. Fall back. Cameraman, you have to get back up. Get up. Get the camera. We need to go now. Get up. We have to set a barricade. Let's go. Get these garbage cans. Let's go. Get the garbage cans here.
Ew! They're smelly. You do it.
We need cover now.
Yeah. From what?
The needles.
What needle?
Ah, shit, cameraman, are you okay? Are you okay? You okay?